Good morning, everybody. David Kirsch on honeycomb.fit. Way to go right to it. Third day of 10-minute lightning round workouts. Today's workout, a plyometric circuit. All right, not for everybody, but if you can do it, let's go. 10 exercises, 30 seconds per exercise. Done as a circuit, repeated twice. Give you a couple of seconds of rest in between. Are you ready to do it, guys? Full body, no excuses. Plyo, great for explosiveness, strength, endurance, faster in the pool, faster on the bike, faster running. Let's go. I got a new Plyo box. It's mine. I took it back from the gym downstairs. It's been quarantined, it's been cleansed. Props to the ottoman, it served us well. Wood chops. Mind and body. All right, up in the Plyo box, getting all set. Push up, decline push up, with a little bit of a walk. Here we go. Yeah. Huh. Skater hops, nice and low. Shaking it out. Getting set. Plyo, Bulgarian squats. This is so effective. Little lateral jumps. Get set, and let's finish it up. Oh boy. All right. You've done these before, you know that. All right, here we go. squat jump, little split. Oh boy. Take a second. Plyo's going, what's going on? Little plyo lunges. So, down here, and just staying. A little different than switch lunges. Oh man, my glutes, fire. Here we go. It's a lot higher than the ottoman, that's for sure. I'm taking a sip. Damn. That is definitely to wake up on Wednesday. Here's the deal, guys. Any of these moves, you need to modify, break it down. Don't leave the ground. Wood chops. Catch your breath. Short beats getting on the elliptical machine, guys. Ten minutes, full body, heart rate is up, legs, core, arms, decline push-ups, more nice and tight. Glutes are tight, hips up. Okay, here we go. To modify this one. Bulgarian squats. Nice and deep. Nice and deep. Core tight. Anchoring in my bottom heel. Glutes, hamstrings, quads. No less effective. Nice and deep. Mindful. Core is tight. Find something to jump over. Here we go. I got more. Yeah. Squat jump, heel taps. Get set a second, catch breath, finish it up strong. Here we go. Now do it. Thank you, God, for giving me the energy. Final lunges. Here we go. I feel like I'm 6 years old again. Here we go. That's it. Powered up. Drive it up to my top heel. Core tight. No rest. No excuses. Happy Wellness Wednesday for me at Honeycomb.fit. Powered out. And that, my friends, is a 10-minute lightning round plyometric workout by me, David Kirsch, at Honeycomb.fit. You guys are awesome. Shake yourself off, wipe the sweat, hydrate, get ready for Stacy at 10 o'clock. I know you can do it. Have an awesome day. Great job, everybody.